Hello friends, this is Arun. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. Investment in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully in the below links before acting on any recommendation. Kindly check our disclaimer and disclosure to know more. So in this video, we'll discuss about what happened with budget in the last few years and what are the expectation of budget and the key index levels with respect to Nifty for tomorrow. So this is the historical data with respect to budget open and close. So last 3 years it was like a negative with respect to market. 2021 and 2022 market closed positive, and in fact 2021 was the highest, like where market closed by 4.7% in the last at least 10 plus years. And 2009 we had the largest crash, like global conditions were not good. Now if you just so these are the corresponding reasons with respect to the particular budget day. And if you just see, like in 2018 the new long-term capital gain was introduced. Now this is the debatable or like the expected topic in this budget with respect to market. So Nifty overall in the last close to 20 years on average it has moved by 1.5% on budget day. Again, it's an average data. With that expectancy, we could expect either plus or minus 400 points swing movements to happen tomorrow. Now, with respect to key expectation, so to start with, there will always be tax deduction expectation. So this time as well. So if in case any increase happened in the income tax slab, or if standard deduction is increased, then that could be like a big booster with respect to the salary or like the mid income earners, which in turn the market would be like treating as positive, as again more funds could come into the market. Home loans, so it has remained unchanged for the last 10 plus years. So the expectancy is from the deduction to be hiked from the current 2 lakh to 3 to 5 lakh. So this is the ultimate one. If in case by any chance a market or like the budget we had any reduction either in long term capital gain or even like abolition with respect to STT, then market could start moving high in a fast pace even in the coming days. There is a probability even like Nifty could hit new lifetime high if in case positive news have come with respect to any of these or all of these in this budget. So basically the long term expectation with respect to LTCG is like if in case it is increased from the current 12.5 to 10, that will be like a big booster for market. So right now for 1.25 lakh there is no tax. If in case that's increased to 2L, that as well will be a big booster. So the long term retail investors would be benefited a lot. And with respect to F&O regulations, so if the compliances are made simpler, that would be a big booster. Now with respect to sectors, obviously with Trump, defense would always be a primary factor in every global country's budget. So again 15 to 20% hike would be expected. So these are the related stocks to watch. If in case the defense budget is increased, these stocks could move up. With respect to infrastructure, again increased funds are expected there. So L&T, Ultratech, Cement could gain if this happens. With renewable energies, extension for solar and EV batteries are expected with respect to the incentives. Tata Power, Adani Green, Amaraja would be benefited. Railways, more Vande Bharat trains are expected, and GST, again some simpler structures are being expected. Now we will come to the key index levels for Nifty for tomorrow. So I'll just show the chart in weekly time frame, then we'll move on to day time frame. So to put in simple words, Nifty, it is falling from this bearish harmonics which we plotted multiple weeks before, and minor harmonics are being active. The next major harmonics is at 24,761 and 24,517. So what is harmonics? Harmonics is Fibonacci extension and retracement combination. So that is the place where reversals are expected. So as mentioned earlier, assuming Nifty moves 1.5% on average, so this 25,765, which is a good price action number. So here it acted as resistance, then support, again resistance. So this would be a key resistance level, and here we have the harmonic support 24,761 and 24,500. Okay, so if you just come to smaller time frame, so you could see the bulls have dominated very much in the last 6 or 7 trading days. So earlier it was a huge crash, a small retracement, and again a great fall. Now, so this 24,900, this low which happened on GAN date, so that low has been honored, and from here Nifty has taken support and it is moving up. So with respect to day time frame technicals, Nifty is looking bullish until this low is taken out. But again, with respect to budget, we can't expect too much from the technicals. Any news could make it or break it up. So overall expectancy is again a positive budget and a positive rally with respect to market. Just ensure you're trading with small stop loss. Take care, friends. Bye bye.